Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we learn the vegetable name. In Hindi it's called sabjiyon ke naam. Before that, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's start. The first is tomato. In Hindi it's called टमाटर. Now look at the video. This is called tomato. The next is potato. In Hindi it's called आलू. Now look at the video. This is potato. The next is onion. In Hindi it's called प्याज. Now look at the video. This is called onion. The next is lady finger. In Hindi it's called भिंडी. Now look at the video. This is called lady finger. The next is carrot. In Hindi it's called gajar. Now look at the video. This is called carrot. The next is radish. In Hindi it's called मूली. Now look at the video. This is called radish. The next is green onion. In Hindi it's called हरा प्याज. Now look at the video. This is called green onion. The next is spinach. In Hindi it's called palak. Now look at the video. This is called spinach. The next is bitter gourd. In Hindi it's called करेला. Now look at the video. This is called bitter gourd. The next is cabbage. In Hindi it's called पत्ता गोभी. Now look at the video. This is called cabbage. Now next is cauliflower. In Hindi it's called फूलगोभी. Now next look at the video. This is called cauliflower. The next is brinjal. In Hindi it's called बैगन. Now look at the video. This is called brinjal. The next is pea. In Hindi it's called मटर. Now look at the video. This is called pea. The next is capsicum. In Hindi it's called शिमला मिर्च. Now look at the video. This is called capsicum. The next is broccoli. In Hindi it's called broccoli. Now look at the video. It's called broccoli. The next is drumstick. In Hindi it's called सहजन. Now look at the video. This is called drumstick. Now next is pumpkin. In Hindi it's called kaddu. Now look at the video. This is called pumpkin. Now next is pointed gourd. In Hindi it's called parval. Now look at the video. This is called pointed gourd. The next is ridge gourd. In Hindi it's called turoi. Now look at the video. This is called ridge gourd. Now next is beetroot. In Hindi it's called chukundar. Now look at the video. This is called beetroot. The next is beans. In Hindi it's called same. Now look at the video. This is called beans. The next is mushroom. In Hindi it's called kukurmutta. Now look at the video. This is called mushroom. Next is bottle gourd. In Hindi it's called लौकी. Now look at the video. This is called bottle gourd. Now next is coriander. In Hindi it's called धनिया. Now look at the video. It's called coriander. The next is zucchini. In Hindi it's called turoi. Look at the video. This is called zucchini. The next is fenugreek. In Hindi it's called methi. Now look at the video. This is called fenugreek. The next is chilies. In Hindi it's called mirch. Now look at the video. This is called chilies. The next is turnip. In Hindi salgam. Now look at the video. This is called turnip. Now next is red cabbage. In Hindi lal patta gobi. Now look at the video. This is called red cabbage. Now next is cucumber. In Hindi it's called kheera. Now look at the video. This is called cucumber. The next is jackfruit. In Hindi it's called kathal. Now look at the video. This is called jackfruit. Next is sweet potato. In Hindi it's called sakarkand. Look at the video. This is called sweet potato. The next is garlic. In Hindi it's called lahsun. Now look at the video. This is called garlic. The next is ginger. In Hindi it's called adrak. Now look at the video. This is called ginger. The next is turmeric. In Hindi it's called haldi. Now look at the video. This is called turmeric. The next is mint. In Hindi it's called pudina. Now look at the video. This is called mint. The next is lettuce. In Hindi it's called salad patta. Look at the video. This is called lettuce. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks.